Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need an active Google account and a live website that meets AdSense content policies. Next, make sure you can edit site HTML or DNS records because you'll verify ownership. Once done, sign into the AdSense dashboard and choose Get Started. The system asks for your website URL and contact details. This first step matters because verification and policy compliance determine approval speed. So complete accurate details now to avoid delays later. Now you generate the AdSense ad code or link by creating an ad unit in the dashboard and copying the provided snippet. You place that snippet in your site's HTML, typically in the head for auto ads or within article templates for manual placements, so Google can serve ads and associate clicks with your account. Make sure responsive settings match your layout and link the ad unit to your payment profile. This connection is why earnings route correctly to your account once traffic starts generating impressions. Finally, verify your site with an AdSense and wait for the approval email. Once approved, ads should start appearing within a few hours to days depending on propagation. Make sure to clear any caches and test across devices so placements look correct. If nothing shows, inspect the browser console for script errors, confirm the exact copied code is intact, and review policy notices in your account. One key troubleshooting tip. Often a caching plugin or missing closing tag blocks the ad script. Fix that and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.